Hello everyone. This video is about the URO VAMTAC armored truck. This is a Spanish four-wheel drive military vehicle manufactured by URO VAMTAC. Externally it is similar in appearance and design to the Humvee of the United States military due to similar requirements. More than 2,000 of the vehicles have been delivered to the Spanish Armed Forces. Now let's look at more details about this vehicle. Height 1.9 meters, 6 featuring 3-in. Engine Steyr turbocharged diesel. 188 metric horsepower, 138 kilowatts. Fuel capacity 110 liters, 24 imp gallon, 29 US gallon.